Guys, it's Monika. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a very special video. Yes, this video is very special because in this video I will be sharing with you 4 DIY ideas using tree branches. You can make all these with a very little expenses as tree branches is free for everyone. Before you start, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button. Please subscribe to my channel and give your feedback in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So these are the 4 DIY ideas you can make using tree branches. I hope you all liked it. Actually, I also made another DIY using tree branches which is in my channel. You can check my previous videos. I will provide the link in my description box also. Please give the video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.